What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to the channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 7, and today's topic will be how to draw polygons in OpenCV5. Okay, so in this tutorial, we will learn how to draw polygon using OpenCV5 drawing function. Okay, so basically, to draw polygons, we'll be going to use cb2.polylines. Okay, right? So I believe in the last few tutorials we have seen how to draw straight line, how to draw rectangles, how to draw circle, and in this tutorial we'll be going to learn how to draw polygons. Okay, so let's say before I start the tutorial, you will get the source code from this link. So without wasting much time, let's start working on the tutorial part. Okay, so first thing first, import numpy, and next thing will be import open sorry it will be import cv2. Then img equals to, here we'll be going to create the sequence of point. Okay, so let's see, np dot zeros, import numpy as np, so np dot zeros, and this is going to 500 by 500 of p, then np dot, okay, done. Right, now points are actually, for example, let me show you something, just hold on. So let me open it. Okay, basically polygons means it will have multiple, like this, multiple sides, like 1 2 3 4 5. So here actually, if you see, we have to actually create multiple points, right? So just hold on, let me, okay, so basically for you, okay, so this is 1 point, this is 1 point, this is 1 point, this is 1 point, and this is 1 point. So every point actually has a coordinate, so this coordinate will be represented by this array. Okay, right? So this is also going to be np dot array, np dot array, and this is going to be like this. Okay, so my first point will be, let's say, 100 200. Okay, I'll be just going to start with that simple 1 point. Okay, and at the end what we'll do, I'll be just going to write np dot np dot int 32. Now I have to convert this point into OpenCV type. So basically I'm going to convert point equals to points dot reshape. I just want to maintain this, so -1 1 2. Okay, -1 means it is going to maintain this dimension, okay, only 1, and 1 2 means 1 2, 1 row 2 column. Okay, right, this is done. Now we'll draw the image. Okay, basically we'll be going to draw the, so cb2 dot polylines. Okay, then easy. Okay, then points. Okay, then is closed. If closed means it will have lines will be actually closed, means will get complete side. Okay, then color, I want to create with red color, so bgr, so let's say 12 51 to 51. Okay, and thickness is 2. Okay, okay, So then what will happen? We got so okay, poly and then img. Okay, now we'll do the main thing while true. Okay, then cb2 dot wait key 1. Okay, and then what will happen? And uh, 0 if equal to or d 2. Okay, 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 and then if happens, then it will be break. Okay, and basically this, and this is going to be this, and this is going to be this, and this is going to be this break. And at the end what we'll do, cb2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, so let's execute this thing. So this is actually going to give me this point. Okay, means the point will be, let's say if I let's say let me show you how the point will be look like. So just hold on. Okay, so basically if this is a rectangle and the point will be here, so what I say here, 100 to 100. So basically it starts from here. So basically 100 means it will go here and it will go somewhere here. So I will get a point at this point. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm just going to now, sorry, I need an eraser. Where is my eraser? Okay, this is the eraser. Huh? Strength. Toolboxes. Strength. Okay, let it be like this. So this is, let's say, I will be going to, okay, I will get a point here. Okay, so let's draw this thing and see. Let's say I got a point here. Okay, so Q, let's make the thickness at 4. Okay, I get a point here, 100, 200. Now what I'll do, I'll be just going to add new point, 100, 200. Then probably my point is actually here, 100, 200. I want to add actually another point. Let's say I want to add another point here. Okay, at this point, like let's say it will be 100, 300. Okay, so the next point, I'm expecting the next point actually something around here. Okay, a little bit downwards. Okay, so let's do it. So 100, 300. Okay, let's go and do it. Okay, so this point is here and this is actually close. Why it is close? Because I said true. Means the moment it actually got this point, it is connected. Okay, now what will happen? Now I'll be going to add a new point here. Let's say here. So for me it will be, let's say here. So it should be 100, 300, 300. Okay, so basically I will going to have another point at this here actually a little bit. Okay, a little bit downwards. So both of these two will be connected. Okay, so it should be 300. Let's say 300 and 400. Okay, let's execute. See here. But now what I'll do, I'll be just going to add one more point here, like here. Okay, so I want to add another point here. Let's say I want to add another next point here. So it should be uh, no, I say, let's say I want to add next point here, right? So I want to add 100, and let's say I want to add 100. Just thinking how to add. Let's say I want to add 300, and I want to add 100. Different point. Okay, let's execute. Yeah, right, in a different direction it is going. Okay, hopefully you are understanding how these things are happening. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Now I want to actually add more point here. Okay. um I think 100, 200. So let's make it 200, 400. Okay. Now let's see how this is going to connect. Yes. Okay. So different. I'm just thinking what could be the thing. Just hold on. I'm just thinking the right points actually for this thing, for this purpose actually. Okay. What could be the right point? Okay. 100, 200, then 200. Okay. So let's do something. 100, 200. Let's do 200, and let's do it 50. Let's remove everything. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So now next point will be, if I do it here, next point will be connected as, I want to have a next point here, right? So to have a next point here, it should be uh, 300, 200, right? It should be 300, 200, right? So 300 space 200, right? So let's execute. Yeah, 300, 200. Now basically after this thing, I want to add one more point here. 300, 200. Then I want to do it 250, 300. I want to add one more point here. 250, 250, 300. So let's see. 250. In between actually there will be one more line. What is this? Okay. Yeah. you see it is actually here. So it is showing 250 300. Okay, something around here, right? So 250 300 means it is actually going to connect with this line, and this also going to connect with this line, right? Now last point I want to do, 150 300 means I want to add here actually one point. Then this two will be connected, this will be connected, and this is already automatically already connected. So basically I want to do it 150 and 300. Okay, so the magic. Okay, right? So now if I want to actually color it, -1. Okay, so we'll get a color. What is this? Hmm, don't know whether it will work or not. Okay, it has to be thick left. Okay, it is always going to be this. Okay, so how to fill color, how to fill polygons, that is not there. I'm just thinking. Hmm, hmm, think there is another thing, cb2 dot fill poly, it will be img comma mg, then I think this points, then I think this color. Okay, and for the time being I'll be just going to this thing. Right, now let's execute. Yeah, there are two functions. If you want to create field polygon, you have to use this, and if you don't want to actually use the field polygon, you have to just create the shape of the polygon, then you have to use the polylines. Okay, now you know how to do it, and easily you can create like another polygon inside it, right? For that, what you have to do, I have to start from here and I have to end here, right? So let's do this thing. Okay, so let's create another points. Okay, okay, let's do it here. Okay, so it should be, it should be it should be 400, but it will go, let's say, here. Okay, but I think it should not start from here. I think it should here, and it is actually next point should be, I think next one should be here, something around here. Okay, so maybe 100 this. So what I think it could be, I think I want line to be here and here. That would be really nice. 100 200 is here, and then 250 I think here. So maybe let's do one more point. Let's see. Let's see. It is going to happen 100, and this is going to be 100, 100, 100. Let's say this is going to be 250. So I just want to actually here. So it will be 200 and let's say 90. Then 300, 200. 300, 200 means actually here 300, 200, 200. So basically I want to do it like 300 here, something around here. So it should be 250 by 200. Let's say 200, 200, 250, 300. So what we'll do, let's name it point 1 and 2, 3. Okay, let's execute. Okay, so this is all together coming as a different. I don't know what is happening. So for the timing, let's try to actually. It's something different, but I that is what I don't want. I want actually another polygon inside it. So okay, so it is 100, 100. Okay, so let me check why it is 100, 100. So what we'll do, I'll remove these 2 points and see why is this first point is getting created. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see the second point. Second point, okay, I want to actually a point here and here. So actually I want to have the first point here. Let's say I want to have a first point here. So it should be here. So maybe it will be 120, 100, maybe 150, 100, and next point I want to actually have here. So it should be 270. So 290. Let's execute and see. Okay, I don't know why this is starting from here. 150, 100. 150, 100 is 290. This is strange. Actually, 150, 100. 150 is actually here. 100 is here. I say 150, 100. 150, 100 here first. And 250, 200 here, 50 here. It's coming here. That is fine. But why 150, 100 comes here? 150, let's say here. 100 here. Okay. Can I do it with 190? Let's see. Just dot these lines. But it has to be a little bit down, right? 190, 100, 290, 290. So I think I want to go a little bit down. 190, and it should go down actually. Let's make it 300. Let's see. Now let's see why it is saying 190, 300 is here, 190, 300 is here, and 290 is here. So basically I have to move it a little bit here, at least this side. So here it should be 190, let's say 100. Now let's see. 190, it's just slightly different. 190 here, I want to actually have here. So it should be here. Yeah, now it looks nice, right? That is what I want to actually achieve. So this is 190, I want this to be here. So it should be 130. This looks nice now. Okay. Now next point. Next point is actually it should be here, right? So next point is actually 40, 300, 200. So I want to actually have it here, right? So it should be in the line of 180, but it should be something around here. So it should be same 300, 180. Okay, so let's see 300, 180. Okay, let's see. It is going outside, so I need to a little bit downwards, so it should be 260, 180. That will be the good combination. Yeah, right. Now this last two things, 250, 300. 250, 300. So it should be, for me it will be 220, 220, 220. 220 and 240. Okay, let's execute. Yeah, and next thing will be another one, 150, 300. So this is actually 150, 300, this one, right? So for me it will be and it will be, I'm just thinking, I want to have it here, right? Think this should be here. I need something here actually with the same base. So it should be, let's say, 150, 220. Let's see. Yeah, but this does not look nice here, and here. So it should be here. Then it will be look nice, right? So it should be 190, maybe 200. Okay, let's make it beautiful. Yeah, but this line here does not look nice. Okay, so I want to have a straight line here. 150, 200. This is 150, 200, and this has to be 260, 190. So yeah, 260 here, and this is 180. Okay, this is fine, but here actually this line and this line has not much difference. this 180 and this thing. So for that, I think I need to make it a little bit downwards. This is 250 and this is 240. Where is 240? I think this is 240, right? So, and this is 180. I should go a little bit down more. Let's do it. Let's make it 220. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This angle is not working. Okay, just hold on. Whatever I'm trying to achieve, I'm not able to achieve. So that is the problem. I just want to actually have a complete shape. These two should be in same line. Okay, so that is the problem. The last line is not working. So this should be, just hold on. I think 180. Yeah, I think this is better. So now what will happen? I want to create a line here. So this should be this third one. Okay, so let's write. Okay, so it should be 200 to 50. It should go more. Okay, I think this one. I think 150 here, 200 here, 250 here. I think okay, so let's see. Why it is going outside of this thing. This is 130. Okay, I should not go beyond 130. 130 is here. I should go 140 or something. 130, 150. So I should go 180 or something. Now this is a little bit better. Now only thing is, if you see, this base is very small, so I can create here. Then actually this will be little bit okay. Basically it's becoming very this thing. So what I'll do, I'll make it 260. Let's see. I think 270 was fine. Yeah, 270 was fine, but for that 180 means I came totally here, so that is why. So maybe 150. Let's try it 150 and see. Yes, now 150 is 270. Then probably if I just make it a little bit, now that is a little bit better, right? Okay, so that is how you can create multiple polygons. So this will take little bit time to adjust, but see guys, I'm also like doing hit and trial. So if you think that you will be able to do it in a single shot, that is not going to happen. You have to understand this coordinate system, and this thing. Only the coordinate system is actually important. I know this video is a little bit boring, but my ultimate objective is to give you guys kinds of hands-on for your upcoming project, or maybe you guys are doing some educational project or starting working for some company, etc. I don't know, but this is just to develop some sort of intuition within your mind that this sort of techniques can be useful whenever you are going to do some sort of image processing or computer vision related projects, right? So I believe this video takes a longer time. I would like to conclude the video over here. But before I conclude, I would like to say, if you are watching this video for the first time, please try to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share our videos with your family and friends. And also don't forget to hit the bell notifications so that you should not miss any notification from our future update. Okay, so enough of talking. I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day and happy evening. Thank you very much.